9.BB.9, complete the square. All right, so we have this equation, but this equation is incomplete. So it says t squared minus 24t plus what number, what constant will complete, so it is a perfect square quadratic polynomial. All right, okay, let me print the screen and go to paint. And all right, so this is what you have to do. It's actually really easy when you learn how to do it. So I am going to rewrite what we have here. So it's t squared minus 24t plus what number is going to be here. Okay, we're going to open parentheses and we're going to write a fraction raised or elevated to the power of 2. Okay, the fraction is going to have the number 2 as a denominator, and the numerator is going to be this number that we have here. Always you're going to grab this number as a numerator. All right, so this is going to be t squared plus, minus 24t plus 24 divided by 2 equals 12, and the 12 is going to be squared. Okay, so t squared minus 24t plus, I'm sorry, I made a little mistake here. Okay, let me correct it. This 24 is negative, so this is going to be negative. So 24 divided by 2 equals negative 12. So far it's more like of the same, but at the end the result is going to be the same, because when you elevate something to the power of 2, the result is going to be positive always, because minus times minus equals, or negative times negative equals positive. So 12 by times 12 equals 144 positive, because negative times negative equals positive. So 144 is the number that we are looking for right here. So this is the answer. Okay, so we're going to check in our IXL web page 144. We submit it, and I know I am terrific. All right, so this one, let me go again to paint. So h2 plus 10h, h2, h squared, h squared plus 10h. All right, plus what? Plus, as I told you, parentheses, it's a fraction divided by 2, or number divided by 2, and elevated to square. So this number is going to be right here. So I am not going to write all of this, I am just going to focus on this. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 5 raised to the power of 2 equals 25. All right, so the number that I am looking for is 25. So I go back to IXL, write 25. Awesome. All right, so if you already know how to do it, and if you don't have any trouble doing it, you can just stop the video right here and just do your work. If you're still having questions, I am going to continue, and you can just tag along with me. All right, So the next one, I am just going to focus on this one. 16, the number 16 is the number that I need to do the rest. So 16 divided by 2, and all of this raised to the power of 2. This equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. Okay, so I write 64 right here. Okay, now I have 30. Okay, so 30 divided by 2, and all of this rise to the power of 2, so it's 15. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 times 15, it's 225, 255. Okay, let me grab the calculator. 15 times 15 equals 225, right? All right, so I go back to my Excel 225, and terrific. Okay, 8. So I am not going to use paint again for this one. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, submit. Okay, now I have 10, but it's negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 equals negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 25. Okay, super. Now I have 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 3, 9. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 6, well, negative 6 doesn't matter because we're going to multiply it by, again, a negative number. The result is always going to be positive. So 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Okay, and this is the very last one. 22 divided by 2, 11. 11 times 11, 121. Okay, and this is it. You can continue if you have an account. If you don't, you're going to be receiving the message that you have reached your daily limit. Okay, this is it again, and see you next video. Bye bye.